Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the English Practice Podcast. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're here. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most popular questions, how to sound like a native English speaker. Many learners think it's too difficult, but it's not. You just need the right habits. We'll share 10 simple tips that can help you sound more natural, confident, and fluent. So, let's start together and have some fun.
Hey guys, I'm Tom. I love this topic because so many students ask me, how can I sound more like a native? The truth is, you don't need to sound perfect. You just need to speak with confidence and flow. These 10 tips are simple, but if you practice them every day, they really work. So grab your coffee or tea, sit back, and let's go through them one by one.
The first tip is to listen to English every single day. You can listen to podcasts, music, or short videos on YouTube. Pay attention not only to the words, but also to the sound, rhythm, and emotion. When you listen every day, your brain starts to remember how English feels. Even if you don't understand everything, your ears learn the melody of the language. So just listen and enjoy the sound of English.
That's right. Listening is one of the most powerful ways to improve your accent. You don't need to study grammar all the time. Just let your ears do the work. You can listen when you cook, clean, or walk outside. Try to imitate how people speak and repeat short phrases you like. After a few weeks, you'll start to notice your pronunciation sounds much better.
The second tip is called shadowing. It means you listen to a sentence and repeat it right after the speaker like an echo. You can use movie clips or YouTube videos for this. Try to copy not only the words, but also the emotion and the rhythm. It helps your mouth learn how to move like a native speaker. This is great daily pronunciation training.
Yes, shadowing is one of my favorite exercises. It's like you become an actor playing a role in English. Don't worry if you make mistakes at first, just keep going. Try to match the tone, speed, and feeling of the native speaker. After some time, you'll start speaking more naturally without thinking. Just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Our third tip is to learn connected speech. Native speakers don't say words separately. They connect them. For example, want to becomes wanna, and going to becomes gonna. It's not lazy English, it's just how people really speak. When you connect words, your speech flows better and sounds smoother. Try to notice these connections when you listen to real conversations.
Exactly. Connected speech is what makes English sound fast. But it's not actually faster, it's just smoother. Try saying, I'm gonna eat, instead of I am going to eat. You'll notice it feels more natural. You can practice by reading short dialogues and linking words together. Soon, your English will sound more fluent without much effort.
Tip number 4 is about intonation, the music of English. Your voice should move up and down when you speak. For example, when you ask a question, your voice goes up. Are you ready? And when you finish a sentence, it goes down. Good intonation makes your English sound friendly and natural. It also helps people understand your feelings better.
Yes, intonation is one of the secrets of sounding native. If your voice is flat, you can sound bored or angry even if you don't mean it. Try to copy the melody of native speakers when they tell stories. Record yourself and compare your tone with theirs. After some practice, your speech will sound full of life and emotion.
The fifth tip is to learn and use common phrases. Native speakers love short and natural expressions like, no worries, that's cool, or sounds good. These make your conversations friendly and easy. You don't always need to use long grammar sentences. Sometimes one simple phrase is the best answer. Try using one new phrase every day.
Yes, using phrases helps you sound more like a real person, not a textbook. It also saves time because you don't have to think too much before you speak. You can write down 10 useful phrases and practice them in real life. Use them when you text friends or comment on videos. The more you use them, the more natural they become.
Tip 6, start thinking in English. Try not to translate everything in your head. When you see a cup, think cup, not the word in your language. You can also describe your actions in English. I'm walking, I'm cooking, or it's sunny today. This helps your brain switch to English faster. Soon, you'll speak without stopping to translate.
That's true. Thinking in English is one of the biggest steps to fluency. It makes speaking faster and more natural. You can start small, maybe 5 minutes a day where you only think in English. Don't worry if it feels strange at first. Your brain just needs time. After a while, you'll notice you start forming English thoughts automatically.
The 7th tip is to relax and smile when you speak. Many learners get nervous, and that makes their voice sound tight. When you smile, your mouth opens more and your pronunciation gets better. You also sound more friendly and confident. Remember, speaking English should be fun, not stressful.
Yes, that's a great point. When you smile, people feel comfortable talking to you. Even if your English isn't perfect, they'll enjoy the conversation. Take a deep breath, smile, and speak slowly. Confidence and positivity make a huge difference. A happy speaker always sounds more natural.
Tip number 8 is to speak slowly and clearly. Many learners try to speak fast to sound fluent, but it's not necessary. Native speakers prefer clear speech to fast speech. When you slow down, your pronunciation becomes better and easier to understand. Don't rush, focus on clarity and expression.
Yes, speaking too fast can actually cause more mistakes. Take your time and let your words flow naturally. You can even pause a little between ideas. That's what real speakers do. It gives you time to think and makes your sentences stronger. Remember, slow and clear always wins over fast and unclear.
My favorite 9th tip is to record yourself speaking. You can use your phone to talk about your day or describe a picture. Then listen carefully and notice your pronunciation and rhythm. At first, it might sound strange, but it helps you hear what others hear. You can improve a lot just by listening to yourself.
Exactly. When you record yourself, you become your own English coach. You can hear small mistakes you never noticed before. Compare your voice to a native recording and try again. Each time you record, you'll get a little bit better. It's a powerful and free way to practice.
And now our last tip, speak with real people. You can join online chats, language exchanges, or talk to tourists if you can. Real conversations teach you how people actually talk. Don't be shy. Every mistake is a lesson. The more you speak, the faster you grow.
Yes, practice is the key to everything. Books are great, but speaking makes your English alive. Try to use every chance to talk, even small ones. Talk to your friends, your classmates, or online partners. Every conversation brings you one step closer to sounding like a native.
Before we finish, I want to add a bonus tip that ties all 10 tips together. Consistency. You don't need hours every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes, if you do it every day, is more powerful than one long study session per week. Make English a small part of your daily life. Listen while you cook, shadow a sentence while walking, or speak to yourself in the morning.
Yes, and let's make it practical. Here's a mini daily routine you can try for 10 minutes. 2 minutes listening to a short podcast or song. 2 minutes repeating a few sentences aloud, shadowing. 2 minutes practicing connected speech or common phrases. 2 minutes thinking in English or describing your actions. 2 minutes recording yourself or speaking to someone online.
Perfect. And you can switch activities every day so it stays fun. One day you focus on shadowing, another day on vocabulary phrases, another day on speaking with someone. Variety keeps your brain engaged, and you learn faster without feeling bored.
And speaking of shadowing, let's give a short exercise for our listeners. Repeat after me. I'm going to practice English every day. Now say it faster, naturally linking the words. I'm going to practice English every day. Notice the rhythm. That's the sound of connected speech.
Great. Now try intonation. Say this sentence with a rising tone at the end like a question. Are you ready to practice? Now say it as a statement with a falling tone. I am ready to practice. Intonation changes meaning and makes your English sound alive.
And here's a quick fun pronunciation trick. Exaggerate your mouth movements for 1 minute. Speak slowly and clearly. Today is a beautiful day. Open your mouth fully, stretch your lips, and exaggerate the sounds. It helps with clarity and makes you more confident when speaking naturally.
Another daily exercise, pick 3 new phrases or idioms every day and say them aloud 3 times each. For example, no worries, sounds good, break the ice. Then try using them in a short sentence. No worries, I can help you. The goal is to make these phrases automatic.
Yes, and don't forget recording yourself. Take 30 seconds to describe your morning, your favorite hobby, or something funny that happened today. Then listen and notice which words you pronounce clearly and which ones you can improve. Repeat this every 2 or 3 days. You'll notice huge progress in just a week.
And here's a tip for confidence. Speak English out loud even if you're alone. Talk to your pets, your plants, or even a mirror. Describe what you see. The cat is sleeping. I'm drinking coffee. The sun is shining. This builds fluency and makes English a natural part of your daily life.
We can also practice linking words naturally. For example, instead of saying, I am going to the store, word by word, say it like this, I'm going to the store. Try 3 more examples. What are you doing turns into what you doing. I will call you later becomes I'll call you later. Give me a minute becomes give me a minute. Repeat each one 3 times aloud.
Yes, and let's not forget smiling while speaking. Try this for 1 minute. Pick a sentence, smile, and speak it naturally. For example, hello, how are you today? Notice how your voice becomes more friendly and relaxed. Smiling is a tiny habit that changes your sound a lot.
Another exercise, think in English for 5 minutes. Look around your room and say what you see. The book is on the table. I am sitting on a chair. The lamp is bright. Try to do this every day. It trains your brain to form English sentences automatically.
And here's a challenge for the week. Day 1, shadowing practice. Repeat 3 sentences from a short video. Day 2, record yourself speaking for 30 seconds. Day 3, think in English for 5 minutes. Day 4, learn and use 3 new phrases in a conversation or writing. Day 5, practice connected speech for 5 minutes. Day 6, smile and speak out loud for 1 minute. Day 7, review everything you practiced and notice your improvement.
Yes, even 10 minutes a day can add up to over an hour of focused practice in a week. That's huge progress. And remember, don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistent, confident practice. Every small step builds fluency.
Also, make learning fun and personal. Sing along with songs, describe your favorite recipes, read about hobbies, or watch short clips about things you love. If it's enjoyable, you'll automatically practice more often and retain more.
Exactly. English should become part of your lifestyle. And don't forget, interacting with real people. Talk online, make short comments on social media in English, or even just greet someone in English. Each interaction builds confidence and makes your English natural.
So, to summarize, listen every day, shadow, connect words, use intonation, learn common phrases, think in English, relax and smile, speak slowly and clearly, record yourself, and practice with real people. Add fun, personal activities and short daily routines, and your English will improve naturally.
And remember, small, daily habits beat huge, irregular effort. 10 minutes a day, focused and enjoyable, leads to real fluency over time. You can do it.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe, comment which tip you liked best, and practice at least one tip today. English is a journey. Enjoy every step.
See you next time on English Practice Podcast. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep sounding natural every day. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking and enjoying English, step by step, day by day. So let's quickly review. Tip 1, listen every day. Tip 2, shadow native speakers. Tip 3, connect your words. Tip 4, use intonation. Tip 5, learn common phrases. Tip 6, think in English. Tip 7, relax and smile. Tip 8, speak slowly. Tip 9, record yourself. Tip 10, practice with real people.
That's an amazing list. Remember, you don't need to be perfect, just natural and confident. If you practice these 10 tips every day, you'll sound better and feel great when you speak English. Keep listening, keep smiling, and keep speaking. Thanks for joining us today, and see you in the next episode.
Thank you for listening to the English Practice Podcast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which tip was your favorite. Have a wonderful day and keep practicing English every single day. Bye.
Bye, everyone. And remember, your English is getting better every day.